Are you in search of a method to make money online? Then you are in the right video. In this video I'm going to show you a simple way to make money online which is really awesome, works all over the world, and absolutely any one of you can do it easily. Okay, I'm not going to say that you are going to be a millionaire with this strategy overnight, but if you work on this then you can really make some sustainable long-term good income. Okay, so definitely smash the like button and also smash the subscribe button so that you will get notified every time I come up with this type of awesome make money videos, so that you can take the first movers advantage and make the maximum money as soon as possible. So now let's jump into a juicy content. You just need to go to this channel which is known as Proactive Thinker. Now I will tell you what type of content this channel is creating, how they are making money, what software they are utilizing to make this video, which is really simple and easy to use, and how they are just making money with the simple things, utilizing this very simple things which are available for almost free. Okay, so definitely let's jump into the content, and how you will start working on this method is going to be revealed. Okay, so first thing you need to do is you need to go to this channel. Now you can see this channel is creating very simple videos which are animated videos, just like this explainer type videos which you can see over here. Okay, so this type of videos are created by this channel. Now I'm going to show you how you can create this type of very simple videos. Okay, it's not gonna be an entire tutorial of how to make this animated videos, because then it would be a 2 to 3 hour long video, but I'm going to show you the software, and also I'm going to show you where you can learn to use this software, which is really easy. Most of you will be able to learn this software within 1 or 2 days. Okay, and definitely you could be making this kind of cool videos for your YouTube channel. I'm also going to show you where you will find content for this type of YouTube channel, so don't worry about that, everything will be covered in this video. Okay, so now let's go and see how much this channel is making money. So now you can see this channel has got 1.2 million views in the last 30 days, and you can probably, it is making $5,000 to $10,000 every single month, because this is in a business niche, and this niche has really high paying clients or advertisers. So that's the reason why this channel is probably making a ton of money, which is higher than $10 CPM with this channel, and that is something which is really amazing, really awesome. Okay, now this is the things we have covered the channel where you need to get the inspiration. Now let's dive into the content, where you will find the content. Okay, so you can go to this website which is known as plrpl.com, and here you can find entrepreneurship. Okay, when you go to you will find here entrepreneurship, and you will find a ton of articles which are related to entrepreneurship. You can see this channel is making videos about entrepreneurship, business, income habits, and all that stuff. Okay, so you can find a lot of content which is available for you to utilize, because this is private label rights content which you can use. Okay, so there won't be any copyright problem. All you need to do is just get the content from this website. Okay, and then rewrite this content in your own words. Okay, don't just directly copy it, because many of the people are doing that, and if you do that you won't be standing out, and if you don't stand out you won't be able to grow on YouTube. That is something which you need to understand, and that's the reason why once you get the content from this website you just need to rewrite it, okay, in your own words. But you don't have to do anything from scratch, which is really simple, or you can hire someone on Fiverr who will rewrite these articles for you. Okay, so you can see there are all this. So you can see empowering your manager, business name, how to pick one with a legal perspective. All these articles and information is available on this channel. You just need to read this article and rewrite this article. Okay, so once you have got the article, and then you just need a voiceover. Okay, now you can give voiceover just by utilizing your smartphone, which is really simple and really easy, and many of the people just do that. Okay, so in the beginning you can just give a voiceover with your smartphone and it will work fine. Don't worry, you don't have to invest in expensive mic and equipment in the beginning. It will be fine if you start giving voiceovers with your smartphone. Okay, so this has been completed. You have got the content idea, you have got the content. Now let me show you the software. Now the software is known as you just need to go to this website which is known as mangoanimate.com. okay, it is Mango Animate. Okay, so you don't need to pay this stuff in the beginning. Okay, it is just a software which is really at a crazy low price. Okay, even if you can also use the free version, it will get a watermark, but in the beginning it is fine if you use the free version. Okay, so don't worry about that. So you can create all this type of simple genius videos which this channel is already creating. You can see you can create all these types of videos with this software which is known as Mango Animate. And the best thing about the software is that it is really very easy to use. Okay, so don't worry that you will find it difficult to use, and they are having their personal channel that will teach you how to use this software. And the thing is that you can use this software for free. Okay, you don't need to pay this stuff. Okay, you can utilize it for free, and that is something which is the best thing about this software, because with the watermark you can use this for free. So in the beginning you can just use this for free and make this kind of super awesome videos. Okay, so you can see this is a Mango Animate official YouTube channel. Okay, they teach all this type of animation, how to create all this animations on this channel. Okay, so they are teaching you all the things. Okay, you can just learn it from to just invest your 1 to 2 to 3 days in this, and you can learn the entire thing, how they create this simple animation. Okay, and don't worry, it is a template based software, so you just need to move the templates here and there, and you don't need to create anything from scratch. Okay, so don't worry about that. So you can definitely start learning about this software, and you can just learn everything about the software just by watching this bunch of videos, which is really simple and really easy because they are teaching you professionally, officially. And then you can utilize this software and create this kind of awesome videos, and you can find all this content on this website. So this is the perfect strategy to make some good income online, and this is something which works all over the world, which is tried and tested a million times, because YouTube is the best way to make money online in the long term. You are just gonna create this video for once, but still it is gonna make you money for years to come in the future. So if you are really serious about making money online, then do consider this strategy and start taking on this action on the strategy, because it can definitely make you a long-term sustainable income, which can be more than $10,000 every single month, because this is a super high CPM niche. Okay, so definitely if you got some value out of this video, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, as well as in the end screen you could be seeing 2 other awesome videos which are appearing on your end screen. You can just click on them, watch those videos also, and you will also discover some new ways to make money online. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching this awesome video.